At ayun na nga, dahil maganda ang panahon, napagdesisyonan namin mag-hike ngayon. Dito kami sa may Strawberry Hills. At kasama rin na rin namin yung alaga naming aso. Ayan, gusto niya rin mag-hike. Kasama kami, nai-enjoy niya talaga mag-hike. At one of the area kung saan kami nag-hike, reminds me of Baguio City in the Philippines. It's like, we are in Camp Janhay. We are enjoying this day kasi nga maganda yung panahon. And then next week, maulan na naman. Kaya it is a good timing to go hike today. Sa mga nagtatanong kung may snakes ba daw dito. Mga snakes ba daw dito? Yes po, meron po. But meron pong guidelines na kayong makikita na mababasa. And then they'll let you know kung anong klase ng snake yung may venom at wala. But so far, sa tagal na namin nag-hike, wala pa kaming na-encounter ng mga ahas ganun. Na ahas, mga snakes na venomous ganun. So we stopped by alongside of the creek because nauwahaw yung aso namin and she wanted to drink. Ayan, malinis yan, guys.
No, that's clean.
Fresh water. So, we continue walking and then up this area, medyo mataas na siya ng konti, mga guys. And, ang ganda. It's very relaxing talaga when you are on a hike with your family. At dahil nga naglabasan ng mga bubuyog, kaya may notice na nakalagay pa talaga na beware of yellow jackets. But I had a bad experience with yellow jackets, and it freaks me out to think about it. It's really horrible, guys. 10 sting talaga ang naranasan ko sa mga yellow jackets. So I don't want to think about it. So the last part is almost over, but my husband has to remind me the area is steep, so we have to be very careful on climbing. So ayan, guys, thank you for watching. And if it happens, guys, that you stop by and watch my video, maraming salamat po. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it, and please don't forget to like and comment down below. For a first time blogger, I appreciate y'all. Thank you.